everyone! So, lately na ay nag-viral ka nga kuan ka ng Dubai viral chocolate, no? Pero, aside from that, na ako'y another chocolate ni i-share sa inyo, ha? Ang licorice, chocolate licorice. So, tadang! By Lacrids Bulow. Lacrids by Bulow. O, diba? Gabasan mo guys, nasayo pa dyan. Lacrids by Bulow. So, let's see what's inside. Grabe. Very luxurious, chocolate. As in, abi ko, dili siya basta-basta. Tagkuan niya siya, guys. 59 dirhams. 59 dirhams, around, pila na siya? Wala rin kabot 1,000. So, muna siya, Lacrids by Bulow. Tanang! Ang amohanggi koan, kuha is dark chocolate. Yan. Dark and sea salt. So, dark chocolate ni siya. Dark chocolate and sea salt. Yan. And, of course, it's sa Denmark siya. Made from Denmark. Okay, Danish Confectionery. And, by Johan Bulow. Created by Turkan. Gluten-free siya. So, na siya licorice sa sulod. So, let's try and open. Tadang! Sealed siya, which is good. Diba? So, very safe, good. So, when we went to the store, nasa sila yung mga free samples. Nasa sila yung different kinds of flavors. Original, na ay strawberry. Wow. Okay, so, mara siya og dago na Maltesers. Diba? But, sorry. Atong tilawan. Dark and sea salt. So, dark chocolate and sea salt. Hindi siya, guys. Tanawa sa salad. So, muna yung itsura. Pag nasa sulod. Nasa licorice sa sulod. Coated by chocolate, dark chocolate. And dami siya. Perfect. New find sa Dubai.